evening, everyone. My name is Siba Sarabi. I'm an Afro neo soul artist. I love everything about art. I feel like such a dope thing, you know. We're privileged to be in this space. And I'm gonna share 3 songs with you, as you heard. As you can see, I have the Africa Ndundun on my neck. That's one of my passions. So I like to sing songs in different languages. So when I go to those places, they can see, but I might like yell, put in some effort to know something about us, right? So this song is in the language Dholuo, in Luo. From Kenya. It says Tingamalo, and it means lift me up. So I hope you will be encouraged. And I have Saki on bass and Tino on lead guitar. Adi adalamalo, adi adalamalo, dalagi Yesu roda, adi adalamalo, adi adalamalo, dalagi Yesu roda. Tingamalo, 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 dalagi Yesu roda, tingamalo, tingamalo, Guys, if you call me, don't. It is what it is. Can we have silence during performances? Because it really distracts, and I want you guys to really hear the story. So if it's not something that's media related, can we just sing a song quiet, if you don't mind? Ne? Thank you. The next song is a special song to me because it's titled kinda after my name, Siba Sarabi. The name of the song is titled Siba Sarabi. 2020, I almost died. I was sick. I couldn't find out what was going on. It wasn't COVID. Up and down, at the hospital. Couldn't get what was going on, right? I think I was sick for 2 months. There was a point where I looked at my dad. I was like, Dada, I'm going now. I gave him that look. Because I had given up, like, I could feel life coming out of me. But then I got healed. And then I think that's, yay. And that's how I realized, it's the reason why I survived that, you know. So this song is just to remind myself and everybody else that, you are here for a reason, you know. So whatever talent you've been given, whatever gift, you need to use it, you know. You need to use it. So, sorry for crying. Angakalusaki. kongi we dikhethi we dihlukile diphathisi we dibabalwe dikhongi we dikhethi we emna diphathisi we dibabalwe. Tell me, can a city on a hill be hidden? And can soul lose its taste? Tell me, can a rainbow lose its color? And can a flower lose its scent? That is why I made peace with that I've been called for greater. I own it sometimes it won't be easy. Despite all forsaking all, I will swim against the current and succeed, living out my divine purpose. Goba mani, kongi wendi, keti wendi, shugile, diphathisi wendi, babalwe, emnandi, kongi wendi, Siba Sarabi.
Let's give it up for Sarabi one more time.
Also, I'm coming yeah.
Still took us for a ride.
Third song is gonna be Ego Day Okay. Another encouraging song. I think I'm a low-key pastor. Singing encouraging songs and hey, love songs. I quite love songs this time, guys. I'm sorry. I quite loved it.
It's all about healing.
Healing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the song is titled Ego Day Okay. It's itself. It's gonna be okay. Whatever you're going through, I know what stage as adults, but okay, it's gonna be okay. Whatever you're going through. They come, them problem follow me. Waiting I they see my friends and them pass me. I'm feeling lower, not progressing like just a me. I'm feeling tired, can't smile no more, I say. Waiting I they fall, I seem to stay down. Waiting I they cry, them tears, them never dry. Exhausted from this life I'm living, don't know what to do. Sometimes I hear people saying that it'll be all right. Oh, yeah. It'll be all right. You will be alright. Oh, redemption, two words for your healing. I know you've heard them before, but please trust me this time. Just try to listen with your soul and not with your mind. Two words for your breakthrough, two words that will remind you that He will never leave you nor forsake you tonight. Be anxious but in fervent prayer waiting. Hold on. Hold on. We need you. Hold on. The world needs you. Hold on. Hold on. You need to hold on. 'Cause it got there okay. 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 Come on and sing it with me now. It got there okay. 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 It will be alright. You'll be alright. In the day, you can be alright. One more time. It got there okay. 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 It got there for your soul. One more time. It got there. It got there okay. 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 It got there. You'll be alright. You'll be okay. You'll be alright. You'll be okay. You'll be alright. You'll be okay. You'll be alright.
Give it up for Sarabi one more time. Yo, Sarabi, genuinely, I am honored. Like, I'm selfish on this one. I genuinely am honored. Like, I feel like your music speaks to the soul, speaks to the self. I feel like even you, when you make your music, it's like communication with yourself. Like, with you praise, you know, you love, you affirm, and like through your music, and you affirm yourself, and you show love to yourself, and you give yourself that peace, you know, through your music.
Peace of mind.
Oh my God. So just one more time, give it up for Sarabi. Somebody shut it off. So Sarabi, I'm just gonna ask you one small question, Yana, maybe two or three. Common question in the self-seekers. What is Sarabi seeking for in her life?
Ah, I'm trying to think because I've responded to this before actually. So, how can I say it in a different way? Peace, contentment. You know, ewe chankoras. But I think there's nothing that beats peace, guys. Like, this peace of mind. Like, I know it's an airy fairy message, but there's nothing that beats peace. Like, you have accepted yourself, well, you're striving for more, but you're at peace with who you are, where you're at, and the journey that you've taken. So yeah, I'm in a state of gratitude. I want to get to that ultimate point of peace.
And how do you discover that journey, or how are you finding that journey? Through either your music, through friends, through life?
Yo, Betuna, it's literally doing what my heart wants to do. I was having a conversation now with babes up next to me. And it's such a powerful thing to stand your ground, to have boundaries. Because I think that's where you start to be like, I man, 1 + 1 = 2. I like 2. But 1 times 10 and 10 equals 10. Mathematics. So it's just knowing what I want and standing on business to that thing. It's very difficult because I'm a people pleaser. But I'm learning. Who knows a no, Joe? And I shouldn't feel bad about it because I'm not saying it from a bad place. It's just I just don't want that thing. Whether it's with people or with situations, I say no to situations.
Sarabi, guys, give it up. Just to ask you one more question regarding self as well. Can you tell us a bit about what you believe in terms of life after death?
Yo, guys, I'm gonna say something contradictory to whatever. I am not, guys. I believe in heaven. I'm sorry, that's my thing, and I know people are like, oh, that's what your parents used to do. It's fine. I'm out of my parents' belief system now. I've chosen my path. After life, I believe in heaven, and I strive to be a good person to get to that place. Or not to get to that place, but just to be a good person. I believe in heaven. That's what I believe in.
And hell.
Yes.
Okay.
I do. I do. I believe in it, guys. Right? Pofke, let me not say right, because it's what a person believes. Yeah, I believe in that.
And how do you think, in your belief, how does a person get to heaven? Or do you follow a certain religion, or do you follow a certain, what's that journey looking like?
I am sweating. Hi, guys. You know what? Let me be honest. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I'm so shy and whatever, because in the art space it's mostly free-flowing, and it's fine. People can be whatever they want to be, but kimukreste, ne? Kimukreste through and through, ne? So, the way that kitlo filter yeah, it's through Jesus. I'm sorry to say, guys. I don't want to I'm not it's a very awkward chat to have, but that's my route, and most of this music that I sing or do, it's with that lens. So I'm sure you heard in my songs I was pray, don't or sizowela kutheni ungamthembi ngubani lo endithetha ngaye. Most of my music is from that lens. So even in love songs that I sing, he gives me peace. It's from a pure place. I like the don't things, but I try to do it from that point of view because that's who I am in essence.
Sarabi, give it up one more time.
Ufunubuza.
Mandlovu, please come closer for your question.
Everybody give it up for Mandlovu one time. This is the Mandlovu guy.
The one and only.
A musician, a songwriter, a revolutionist, a decolonizer. She is who we look up to in the Self-Seekers Studio.
Oh my God. Gene, I'm just a fan. It always give me attention. Firstly, I don't think it's a question, Mama. It's more than a question, it's a comment actually. Not only with I'm your biggest fan. Let me start there. I love, you know what? I was saying earlier, some people they've got friends as work, you know. But you know how blessed you are when you've got friends that are dope at what they do? Yeah. Like, what do you mean? Like, Kusarap is my girl and she's good at what she does, you know what I mean? She plays the guitar so well, so I find it as a blessing, you know what I mean? So what I wanted to say was understanding the spiritual episodes and the spiritual courses that we individually go through so that we become light to people is quite intense. Most people would carelessly or loosely say, yeah, you're a healer, you're a healer, you're a healer. But they do not understand the path that you have to walk over to reach an ear that is able to take from God to his people. There's something that you have to go through. So this is not a comment, it's just to say I love you and that I am proud of you.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving us you. Because I know there's nothing nice about being vulnerable in front of people. Most people that are performing are most shy people. Just that we agreed to do it because we agreed. And thank you for being consistent with you choosing to deliver what God has chosen you to do. Some other people are not following that for understandable reasons, but you chose to follow it, and we're healing from it. Thank you for allowing us to experience you to the fullest. And thank you for continuing. You are a hard-working woman. You work for what you do. You create events and spaces for yourself. And I know it for me, it's hard. Yeah. But you consistently do it amidst everything else. So I stand here from the bottom of my heart. I am so proud of you. And I love you so much. Stay beautiful, Mom.
Thank you. Yo, that's beautiful. Give it up for Mandlovu one more time. Mandlovu, Jay made it right. Give it up for Jay one more time.
Yeah, good evening, guys. I hope y'all are having a wonderful time with this beautiful music and experience. Okay, I have a little question. I know you are so rooted in the African music more than the westernized music.
Yeah.
That's so unique. I would love to say that I'm proud of you for that because I would, you know, I try to fall in love with some of the westernized music. I try because I'm forced to. I'm studying music, so I'm forced to do that shit. So, sorry, Jobu, shut up. So yeah, my question is that what makes you focus into that African? What made you first time realize that, okay, listen, you know, I'm just in love with this African drums and these African guitars, and I'm gonna get that guitar and just play by my own. That's my first question. My second question.
Yeah. I got a few, but I'll ask you for some of these.
Okay.
But it's good. It's okay. What keeps you inspired? What makes you, like, you know, when you wake up as a musician? I've been through so much. I had sacrifices that I made to be a musician, just to state myself as a guitar player, a flute player, a voice artist, whatever I can do. So I had to go through a lot personally to be who I am. So what keeps you, like, you know, there's gotta be something like a shield that you keep from the world or your people close around you that don't believe in what you believe in, which is so true to you more than it's true to them. So my question is, what is it that you look up to that keeps you going to, facing all these aspects you're getting from the people, and you're just trying to get to where you want to be. So yeah, what defines you as a musician? My question. Thank you so
How many
much.
questions are those?
Thank you so much.
I got two.
Okay, first question is about the love for Africa or appreciation for African music. Guys, I feel like Lendo has been written fantuka, because primary school, there used to be a period where we just read, and I would always go for the African books, Junior African Writer Series, and I was so intrigued, like how they live, and they're so vivid with how they describe things. So I was like, oh, this is beautiful. I was in choirs, 2 choirs, so we would do African, non-South African music. So I'd always be excited to do that, and I'm a dancer as well, so you can imagine drums and movement and music, it just ties them together. There was a time where I think we can, not to make it a long response, we can learn so much. A friend of mine said all Africans sing, but not all of them sing well, which means that it can't be taken away from us. So if we can learn from different sounds from the west side of Africa, the east side of Africa, Central Africa, the Northern Africans don't like us, so I don't speak about them. We can learn so much from that. It's pure sounds, authentic sounds. And I just love to learn about cultures. Like that I said, where if I go to Senegal and I sing in Wolof, they'll be like, hey, who's this girl that's singing in our language that doesn't look like us? Well, maybe I will get the pronunciation wrong, but the effort. Yeah. I once went to Black Laboon. I was singing Didoro, Zawada, and I didn't need to explain that song because of the language, Yaba. Just the beauty of, hey guys, I'm singing Didoro, I don't have to explain. It's a beautiful thing to explain also because you're storytelling, but it's also divine that you can just come there and they see like, hi, babes from GQ made an effort to speak to us, so it's an effort to unite. Yeah, guys, I'm the next Angelique Kidjo, if you don't know. Unifying Africa. And then question 2, apart from my faith, guys, I've also been through a lot. I once moved to Johannesburg because I was running away from something that I still haven't told anybody. And it happened 3 times.
Please tell us.
I was running away. I came back, I was in a state of, hey, who am I? What am I doing? But I can't live like that, So knowing that I'm gifted and I've been through a lot, that's the thing that says there's a reason why I've been given this voice or this intrigue to do the music. So I need to be the vessel, be the catalyst for healing for others, we go through pain to help others go through their pain, So it's not a, that's my response.
Sarabi.
Thank you.
Before you leave us, can you just tell us where can people find you and what's your next big move?
I love the setup actually, guys. I really love the setup. So I have a show on the 25th of May at the One Room. We are celebrating Africa. 25th of May is Africa Day. May is Africa Month, if you didn't know. And then I'll be releasing an EP in June, so keep your eyes open for that. It's a 5-track EP produced by Ukush Solomon. I'm sure you know him. And then I have a song that I actually did in Kenya, so produced by a Kenyan producer, but I'm singing Sisutu. And it's dope. And the EP is titled Violin. So, thank you so much.
Appreciate you, Sarabi. Beautiful ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna take a small break. After this, we have Frank down in the feeling.